Me Talk Pretty One Day is a collection of humorous essays by David Sedaris. The book is divided into two parts, with the first half focusing on Sedaris's childhood and early adult years, and the second half focusing on his experiences living in France. Throughout the book, Sedaris reflects on his upbringing in North Carolina and his experiences as a young adult trying to find his place in the world. He describes his eccentric family, including his mother and father, as well as his siblings. He also reflects on his early experiences with smoking, drinking, and drugs, and the various jobs he held before becoming a successful writer. In the second half of the book, Sedaris describes his experiences living in France with his partner, Hugh. He recounts the difficulties he faced in trying to learn the French language and culture, as well as the humorous misunderstandings that ensued. Sedaris also reflects on the differences between American and French culture, and the absurdity of certain aspects of both. Throughout the book, Sedaris's signature wit and self-deprecating humor shine through, as he recounts his struggles and successes with wit and irony. He also touches on the themes of communication, identity, and the human condition. Me Talk Pretty One Day is a humorous and relatable collection of essays that will make you laugh, and also make you think about your own experiences and perspectives. Sedaris's writing is both entertaining and insightful, and the book is a great choice for anyone who enjoys humorous memoirs and personal essays.